Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. Today we are going to see a review on our newly manufactured 16 Ebonite handmade pen, and the name of this pen is called Durga. Uh, as I told, the body and cap diameter is same 16 and it is having a silver clip, and we can easily remove the clip in case of any damage. The top finial is removable only. The finial, cap and as well as body are made of same material. And if you see this particular variant is having a triple color. One is the maroon and another one is the brown, glittering brown and black color. So let me open the pen. This is an eyedropper model fountain pen, plus the nib is swappable. We can remove this nib unit, and we have a beautiful section, a self-aligning section in the center, and also we can use converter or cartridge in the same pen. So we have fixed clip nib unit. This is a fine tip. Just let me open the nib unit and let me show you. We have applied silicone grease in the threads of the section to improve the life of the threads we have added. And as you know, the silicone grease will act as a leak proof agent also. So this is the section. We can easily replace this nib unit, and also we can insert converter inside this section. So as of now we have filled with our royal blue color ink. Let us see how the pen is writing. Before that, let us measure the section so that you can understand how easy it is. So it is having a 11 diameter in the center, and in the front it is having 12.8 and gradually it is increasing to 12.5 So let me write and show you. So the writing is literally smooth in this particular nib, and we have many colors in this particular type of pen. Let me show you. We have this triple color pattern, and as well as we have orange color pen. We have a straight section in this particular model, and we have straight section in another model, the same triple color pattern. Hope you will enjoy with this new addition of Ebonite fountain pen in our list of products. Thank you viewers for watching.